Hey there, travelers! It's Patti, Beth, and Connie, and it's Travel Tuesday on Wednesday because we had Labor Day this week. We are exploring today on Wednesday, and we have someplace very special that we're going to be today, and you really don't even need a map because we are at Grand Lake the Cherokees in Groovy Grove because I planned a mystery trip for Connie. Today is going to be a bucket list check off because we're doing something that Connie has always wanted to do. Connie, what are we doing?
We are going to learn to fly fish.
Yes. We have been some amazing places this year where we saw people fly fishing. We both agreed, that's something we'd like to do. So we called our friend, Mr. Zach Lozier, and he is going to give us fly fishing lessons today. So we invite you to tune in, stay in tune with us today as we learn to fly fish on Grand Lake. Zach is not only pretty gifted at fly fishing, but he's got a lot of sportsmanship in him. So Zach, tell us a little bit about what you did and how you got started with it.
Okay, I was going to college and traveling back and forth, and I wanted something that was going to be able to take with me and use in between classes. So I got a fly rod and decided I was going to start learning how to do that. And over the years, I got into it more, started tying my own flies. Then I got a job learning how to train dogs, bird dogs, and started guiding that as well. And that all kind of rolled into another job that came up that was a private trout stream, and they did upland hunts as well. So I jumped on board with them when I got the opportunity and started guiding trout fishing and fly fishing on the river, as well as guiding upland bird hunts and training bird dogs.
So if we actually are semi-successful at this today, you will know he's an awesome teacher, and if you're interested in this too, you'll know to give Zach a call. And we'll give you his contact at the end of this video. So that's a grasshopper?
Grasshopper patterns. These are damselfly patterns, dragonflies. This is just kind of a general insect. Lots of caddis and stoneflies and mayflies.
Now these are eensy beensy. I want to catch a bigger fish than this.
You'd be surprised. All right, so assuming you've both fished before, so you know the regular spinning gear type stuff. So you're just gonna let it kind of sit in your hand like that, of the handle, like a golf club. Like a golf club, and that's almost up at the top. I'm more comfortable with two. So I put the line through these two fingers.
Okay, we have had the lessons now, and Zach says that we are. What did you say? That we're almost ready to fish?
Almost, yeah. No, you are ready to fish.
Well, I caught something, but I was very pleased. No one else caught
I
anything.
didn't catch that at least too. Well, it was fun. It's tricky.
Harder.
It's
It's harder than it looks.
But we're gonna do
Very
it.
much getting the hang of it.
And Zach
He did a great job, though. Man, oh man. If he can put up with us, he can put up with anything.
That's right. So Zach, once again, there might be some other people that'd like to learn how to fly fish, or for you to guide them on a fishing trip.
Okay.
So what is your phone number there?
My number is 918-791-8900. And you can just call me or text me if you want to book something or get something going, and we'll figure it out.
And if you can have us as students,
Right.
you can have anybody. So call us, and we will give you more information, or call the Making Memories, or look at our website there. And remember about this travel business. When you're good to go, we're good to go.
We'll see you on the next one.
There you go.
Oh, look, you lost your bug.